Yeah! What they talking about? Oh, he bring it up and then another view. Let's get it. That's Houston. That's the bitch I just got on the auction. Take it to the house. Fuck they talking about? Fuck they talking about? I just threw 6 like a touchdown. Let's go. Let's go. That man returned that bitch, bro. This dude is like Bo Jackson in the secondary. Fuck, I should have seen the replay, man. Good shit. Let's go. Nigga, that was like a fucking 102-yard return in this motherfucker, yo. Let's go. Bro, that dude is fucking goated 88 speed in the secondary, bro. That's not even fair, bro. Bro, that's like a receiver in this bitch. That nigga salty as fuck. He don't know. He's sick right now. 102-yard return. Go out of bounds. Fucking go.
The Lions offense ready to kick off their next drive. And this is a unit that, to be frank, doesn't look like they've woken up yet. I mean, a punt and a turnover on their first 2 drives.
And I think the game's starting to take shape a little bit now.
Ooh. Oh. Come on. It should have been another pick, bro. Bro, what's with this dude dropping fucking picks, yo? Is that Ramsey? Nigga trying to lose his fucking spot on the team. That's 2 picks.
An incomplete pass leads to 2nd and 10 from the 25.
He ain't running the ball at all, yo. So obvious.
Here's Young, throwing again.
He's running.
Putting the pressure right.
Come on, sack that. Fuck! Come on, man! Yeah, I knew it! Yeah! What they talking about? I knew it. I knew it was coming, bro. Bro, I was gonna be so pissed if he slid down. He's a dumbass, bro. He a dumbass. Bro, I would have gone out of bounds right there. Let's go. He a dumbass for that. I want to bomb it down the field, whoever opens. Oh, yeah. R1. R1. Fuck. Oh, my gosh. Why did I do that, bro? Fuck, man. Damn it. I tried to slow down and moss this nigga, man. That should have been a fumble. Fuck me! Three fucking picks, my nigga. Damn. You don't do better. He caught that shit? What up, bro? I'm such a dumbass, bro. R1 was open already, bro. I passed it too late. Bro, I passed it too fucking late, my nigga. Fuck!
Here to begin the second quarter, as they've got it with a 1st and 10. After one, 7-0 on EA Sports. Gets it to Gurley, complete.
Such a dumbass, bro. I'm just doing stupid ass plays, bro. We gotta be careful now, bro. Fuck, man. We got too many chances, bro. Just doing stupid ass shit. There's no reason for me to bomb it down the field like that, bro. Y'all gotta tell me to chill. This guy's a fucking bitch-made ass pussy, bro, for just diving.
Another good gain. That's now 35 yards combined on those last 2 plays. Young looks to throw on 1st down. He's got his man. It's caught for a Lion touchdown. Michael Thomas there to make the grab. As they are now on the board.
Can't believe it, bro. Jerry Rice was open. I passed him fucking ball late, bro. That pissed me off, bro. It's fueling my anger right now to play good right now. Fuck. Run 2, 3, man.
So all even at 7 now as they kick it away.
3 fucking picks in the first quarter, bro. Elway is trash juice, man. Oh, yeah. Oh! Almost broke that one off. Fuck. I need Michael Vick, man. Madden, please drop Vick. EA, please drop Mike Vick, man.
Precious little here offensively thus far as they try again with a 1st down now.
Good catch. Let's go. Let's go, Portis. Let's go, Portis. I like that. I like that shit. Let's go. Oh, let's catch him slipping.
First down yardage on the first play of the drive, 14 yards.
Let's do simple shit. No need to rush shit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Good call for me. Good call, reacts! Good call, reacts! Let's go! Let's get it! Alright, we're gonna catch him slipping for real now. Let's go. He ain't gonna see this shit coming. He can't. I want Gurley for this play, but think I'm running the ball. Let's go. Dump it off. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go! Fuck off me. 5-yard game. Simple shit.
For a second there, I thought that might break big. Screen pass. Looked like it was coming together. Looked like there was an opening.
Damn, bro. Portis is getting tired. I forgot Gurley's like an I formation running back. Nice, nice, nice! Ah, too much fucking dancing. Fuck! We got this shit. Fuck! Damn it! Why am I doing those passes? Fuck! Gotta go away from the fucking middle linebacker, man. Fuck! Damn it, bro! Fucking waste of a drive!
Fantasy drafts are in full swing. I know I've got my family fantasy draft coming up, Charles. Who would be your top 3 picks?
This shit got me so mad right now, bro. I'm literally making dumbass turnovers. Alright, we just gotta watch that middle linebacker, that's all, bro. Come on, let's just stop here. Dive, dive. Bro, come on, bro. Why is he always open, my nigga? It's not that hard. He's literally doing the same shit over and over again, bro. How is he always open, bro? What route is this nigga running? Bro, how do I stop this shit, yo? Look at this shit, bro. Two, 3 man. I can't play the strong safety. Why y'all keep asking me that though? Pick, pick, pick. Damn, wanted him to jump for that shit. 2, 3 man. Where's 2, 3 man located at?
What it does is allows a defender
Fuck, bro. Let's run out at a time.
come from a long distance and have a chance to affect the pass.
From the 24, they'll go
Formation.
again on 2nd and 10. Young now. Gonna throw again.
And so, oh! Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, y'all niggas need to help me, man. How the fuck do I? He's doing the same play over and over again, bro. I'm definitely about the middle linebacker using, yo. This dude is so bitch made, bro.
It's nice to have that big, reliable target you can go to.
Each and every time. A lot of people see that position as a fallback.
All right, cover 3 and control outside linebacker bet.
This guy can make plays.
I bet you when I start doing, he's not gonna complete those passes anymore. This remedial ass CPU doesn't know how to fucking read passes. This nigga did the same play the whole drive, bro. You can tell this dude's a fat ass kid that just sits at home and doesn't fucking play sports, bro. Just exploits the fucking game, bro. These EA devs are so stupid. They don't know how to fucking, like, your computer should be able to read that shit, bro. No NFL professional player's gonna let that happen 5 times in a row. Damn. Thought I was gonna break that bitch.
Sets him up pretty good here at the 30-yard line. The offense back out there at the line.
He gets the ball back next half too, bro.
7-0 lead in there is short-lived as they've now given up 2 straight touchdowns to fall behind by 7.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still in bounds. Ah! Should have stiff armed his bitch ass. You fucking run. You fucking run, Rice. Shit was beautiful. Come on, let's score here. Let's score here. Bro, move, man.
first down, and
Fucking dumbass middle linebacker need to move the fuck out of my way. Fuck.
The linebacker Ryan Shazier there to make the tackle.
Nice.
And this one caught by Travis Kelce.
That was dangerous, though.
Hit down at the 33, 5 yards on the play. That catch good for 5.
It's catching slipping. Come on.
In need of a conversion on third down. They had a big play to start the drive. Not much sense.
Oh my gosh, that was extremely fucking dangerous. Ask me if I'm kicking the field goal, nigga. Ask me if I'm kicking the field goal. We making this first down. I don't give a fuck.
You know as well as I do in this league, if you don't win on third down, it makes it hard to win a ball game because then you're relying on your defense, relying on your special teams. You got to get it done with your offensive unit.
No move to get the offense off the field. They're going on 4th and 5. Now it's Elway.
Nice! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! No! What? What? What the fuck?
If you take a peek back at the draft, really the first round.
Fucking hell! This nigga dove!
Daniel Jones 6, Dwayne Haskins 15.
This game is fucked up. Man, I've been down by more than this shit before, man, but fuck, man. What the fuck? This dude, bro, I thought that was a completed pass. He just dove through the fucking player, bro. Alright, man. I know what this dude's gonna fucking do. Over the top. Let's go, bitch. You're gonna do the same fucking play. Waste of sperm. We'll take those passes. Damn, bro. That is some fucking bullshit, bro. That's just straight utter fuckery, bro. That is just utter livid fuckery right there, bro, by Madden, dog. That shit's crazy.
Young now, 11 of 17 passing thus far. He's got his guys a 1st and 10.
Doing the same shit.
Looking to throw, Young.
Like, how is he open all the time, bro? How is he open all the time? Fucking how?
As they stop it with 19 seconds to go in half number 1.
Come on, no field goal, no score.
Young now, over 200 yards already in this first half.
He's gonna do the same shit.
Out of the gun, it's Young.
You don't know who to throw to. Bitch ass nigga! Bitch! Let's go. We stopping that shit, bitch. No, sir.
He does best. They're in some hot water now after that sack.
Bitch ass nigga.
2nd and 21. Final play of the half.
And so, let's go. I see that shit now. User in that bitch the whole game. This pussy ass nigga doing the same fucking exploit, bro. This guy is a bitch ass nigga, bro. Prevent defense. Yeah, that's me. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Obviously over the top. What a dumbass. Why are you running the ball? You really thought you were going to get through my defense with that shit? You get a stop, bro. Come on. What? So what should I go in then if I'm not running zone? Cover 3? Okay. I didn't know that was a zone, bro.
We get set to resume play in the second half. The Lions in the lead, and they're going to get the football first as well as the second half is underway.
Is he trying to get a bad... Bro, that is a fumble, bro. I literally took out this nigga's kneecap. Ankles and shit. Damn, that's such a fumble. They holding me. Yeah, let's switch it up. We can't switch it to defense.
Try to be aggressive. Almost what we call the green light, red light theory. Green light means go, red light means stop. Looks like he had green on that play.
The Lions offense ready to kick off their next drive. They have the lead now. They'll be looking for some
same exact play, I bet. Oh, he's actually running the ball. I'm surprised.
Because now I think they go a little bit deeper into their playbook. They like what they did in the first half. That worked okay. But in order to get the separation that you just talked about, change things up a little bit. Change your tendencies. Try and hit them a little bit more.
All right, I'm trying to find that shit. All right, I see you.
See if they do just that.
Another run?
Gurley again here on first down. And they get him down, but not before he takes it across the 40-yard line. 15 yards.
You keep doing that shit. I'll live for them plays.
And a Nice little broken tackle run there by Todd Gurley, the 10th pick in the 2015 draft.
And that's what you get with him. That full package of speed, power.
Dumbass. You thought I wasn't going to see that shit?
People doubted him coming out because of the knee injury in college.
He thinks I'm about to blitz again. Watch, I already had my reset play. Let's go. Who you throwing to now, you bitch ass nigga? Who you throwing to now? Oh yeah. If you would have turned around and got that shit. He could have turned around and got that.
Man, that was close. The opportunity to change momentum, big play, right in his hands, unable to come down with it.
A sigh of relief, no doubt, on offense if that fell harmlessly to the ground. An incomplete pass on that last play, and that means they'll need to come up with something.
He might run it, I won't be surprised. Let's go, get back, get back, get back. Same play he's gonna do. Bro, he didn't put his hands up! He could have got that! Sherman? Who the fuck was that? Bitch, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Too many mistakes in this game, no cap, bro. We could have had a better chance to fucking do shit, bro. We fucked up big time. We should be up right now, dog. This is some fucking bullshit, bro. We literally need a fucking break of all breaks. That shit pissing me off, bro.
That doesn't happen. It looks almost insurmountable, but it's not.
Why is he giving me bad kicks? That nigga scared I'm gonna return it back. Come on, bro. I love how he just uses that perfectly, bro. I should have gone more left. Fuck. I could have gone more fucking left!
The offense now at the line, ready for their next drive. And their halftime hole now even deeper. And they need a big drive here just to answer the first touchdown of the second half scored against them.
Nice. 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 Fuck yeah! Yeah! Fuck I'm talking about! Down the sideline, down the insane! Fucking score 6 like a touchdown. That's what we needed. Just like fucking that. Thank you. It's the fucking break I'm talking about. Get a stop. Get a fucking stop. Let's go. Come on, bro. We're the best when we do our comebacks. The fucking rear. The fucking run. I said rear. What the fuck did I say? Fuck, man. What a pussy, bro. Come on, baby. We need one stop. I promise you we get a stop, bro. We're taking a W. Won't be surprised if he runs the ball.
The offense back out there at the line, ready for their next.
Ever since I took over the middle linebacker, he ain't been passing this shit the same. Same run again, you dumbass. That's what I'm saying, dumbass. He will see that shit.
And then come back with something else to keep the defense off balance.
The last run got a couple. Here's
He might run it again. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm playing pass. Where you throwing it to now, you pussy bitch? Have that. Have that. Have that.
It's a gain of 5 on the play.
Bitch ass nigga. You see me if y'all can use it now, yo. He don't know what to do. He might run it. If he was smart, he'll run the ball.
Be aware, a ball may come your way.
I'm blitzing. Fuck. Fuck, man. Why did I do that? Thought he was gonna run, bro.
Touchdown pass of the game for Steve Young. And the Lions are able to extend their lead. That's a pretty quick response to that last touchdown drive. And it seemed like they maybe given up momentum, but not so fast.
No, not at all, because they ended up pushing the lead up once again. And you're exactly right. Thought momentum might have been shifting. Instead, they grabbed old Mo, didn't let him get to the opposite sideline.
Dawson tacks on the point after, and the lead now up to 14.
That nigga giving some bitch ass kicks.
This fielded at the 2. And nice Nice work on the return as they'll start their drive just past the 30-yard line. The Pats at the line, ready to go. And last time the formula was pretty simple. One play drive, long pass. That maybe they just want to do that again, right?
And that's exactly how you want to draw things up.
Oh, yeah! What they talking about? You thought it was over, bitch?
Exactly what you want on offense. But they have to be careful.
It's a face mask.
Having a letdown. It was fairly easy last time. They can't expect that going forward.
Yeah, we'll see if it's that easy here. A big hitter. That one goes for 40 yards. So now then, the big play has them all the way inside.
Oh, what a dumbass. Oh, my God. Bro, what the fuck? Why would you throw it like that, bro? It's supposed to be way farther than that, dog.
Well, Charles, while we have a moment, you know what we need to do here is give a nod to the new Hall of Fame.
Bro, Elway is a waste of sperm, bro. Everything is fucking trash in this fucking game, bro. Elway, you are ass juice, bro. I swear on everything, bro. You are fucking trash, bro. Yo ass got in the game first because you sponsored or some shit, bro. You fucking trash, my nigga. Fucking 4 picks.